Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to math class. I hope all are fine. Today we discuss a new chapter, fractions. It is easy chapter. Okay. Then what is fractions? Previous class we know. What is fractions? Yes. A fraction means a part of a group or a region. Fraction is divided in equal parts. Okay, very important. A fraction means a part of a group or of a region. Then fraction is to be divided in equal parts. Okay, shaded part by unshaded. Okay, then example of a fraction is 5 by 12. 5 by 12. 5 is numerator. 5 is numerator and 12 is denominator. Okay, clear? Okay. Then 5 by 12 can represent it 5 upon 12. Both are same. Okay. Then exercise 7.1. The first question, write the fraction representing the shaded portion. Question number 1, write the fraction representing the shaded portion. Okay, first question, exercise 7.1. Figure is question is write the fraction representing the shaded portion. Okay. This one is shaded. First one is shade. Okay. The two parts is shaded. Two parts is shaded. We can represent a fraction of shaded portion. How many parts is shaded? Shaded parts 2. Yes. 2 upon or 2 by total parts. Total parts 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is how many total parts? 4. That is 2 by 4. 2 by 4. Clear? Okay. This is the first example. Okay. Other examples you write in your notebook. Okay. Then second question. Second one. Color the part according to the given fraction. Color the part according to given fraction. Okay. Okay. Question is 1 by 6. This is question 1 by 6. Color the part according to given figure. This is your choice. 1 by 6 means which part is color? Yes, only one. That means one part is shaded. 1 by total parts. Total parts is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 1 by 6. Clear? Okay. Other work you do in your notebook. Okay. Okay. Then question number 4. What fraction of day is 8 hours? What fraction of day is 8 hours? Okay, fourth question. Okay. What fraction of day is 8 hours? Okay. We know 1 day equal how many hours? 1 day equal how many hours? Yes, 24 hours. 1 day equal 24 hours. Question is, what fraction of day is 8 hours? Okay, that means 8 hours equal 8 by 24. 8 by 24. Clear? 8 by 24. Then convert into lowest. In 8 and 24, which number is common divisible? You know, 2, 4, like that. But we converted into the lowest. In 8 and 24, it is common divisible by 8. Common divisible by 8. That means 8 divided by 8. 8 divided by 8. It is 1 by 24 divided by 8. 24 divided by 8 is 3. That means 1 by 3. Clear? Clear? Okay. In 8 and 24, 8 is common divisible by 8. That means 8 divided by 8 is 1. 24 divided by 8 is 3. Okay. Clear? Okay. 1 by 3. Then fifth question is, what fraction of a hour is 40 minutes? What fraction of a hour is 40 minutes? 40 minutes. What fraction of a hour is 40 minutes? Okay. We know 1 hour equal how many minutes? 1 hour equal 60 minutes. 1 hour equal 60 minutes. Clear? Okay, if you have any doubt, ask to me. Okay, 1 hour equal 60 minutes. Question is, what fraction of a hour is 40 minutes? What hour of a fraction is 40 minutes? That means 40 by 40 60. Okay. There are two zeros in the right side. We first cancel these two zeros. Fraction is in the form of 4 by 6. 4 by 6. In 4 and 6, we convert into the lowest form or lowest fraction. Which number is common divisible by 4 and 6? 4 and 6. Which number is common divisible by 4 and 6? Yes. Which number? 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2 by 6 divided by 2 is 3. That means 2 by 3. You converted into the lowest term. Okay, clear? You converted into the lowest. Okay. The answer is 2 by 3. Clear? Okay. Then another important question. The eighth one. Write the natural numbers from 2 to 12. What fractions of them are prime numbers? It is eighth question. Write the natural number from 2 to 12. What fractions of them are prime numbers? Okay, very important. Okay, first we write the natural numbers. Natural numbers from 2 to 12. Okay. First we write the all natural numbers. Natural numbers is counting numbers from 2 to 12. Okay. First we write natural numbers from 2 to 12. Okay. We know 2 natural numbers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Natural numbers are counting numbers. Okay. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total 11. In your mind, total 11. Okay. Then we write prime numbers. Prime numbers from 2 to 12. 2 to 12. Prime numbers of 2 to 12. What is prime numbers? Previous class we discussed prime numbers. 2 is also prime number. 3 is also prime number. 5 is also prime number. 6 is prime number? No, because it is 2 into 3 is 6. Okay. Then our number is 7. And next number is 9. No. 9 is 3 into 3 is 9. Okay. 11. Clear? Okay. Question is, we find the fractions of pi numbers. That means fractions of them are pi numbers. How many numbers are pi? From 2 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 total. Fraction of find pi numbers. It is a question. Fractions of pi numbers. 5 by total. That means 2 to 12. 2 to 12. How many numbers? Yes, 11. That is 5 by 11 or 5 up to upon 11. 5 upon 11. Both are same. 5 by 11 or 5 upon 11. Okay. Clear? Okay. This one is the very important. Clear? Okay. Then another one is 11th question. 11th question. Question is, Christian received a CD player for her birthday. She bought 3 CDs and received 5 other as gift. What fraction of her total CD did she buy and what fraction did he receive as gift? Okay, fraction of gift. We find fraction. 11th question. First you open the textbook. Okay. 11th question. Okay. In this type of question, first we find total number of CDs. Total number of CDs. Total number. Total number. Total number. That is, series is 3 and 5. Receive series is 5. That means 3 plus 5. Clear? 3 plus 5. That is 3 plus 5 is 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay. Then fraction of CDs received as gift. Okay. Fraction of CDs received as gift. We find the fraction of received CD as gift. Received CDs as, yes, 5. 5 is received gift. We find the what fraction did receive as gift. This is 5 by total. Total means 5 by 8. 5 by 8. Clear? Okay. Okay. Then the remaining question, exercise 7.1. The remaining questions is homework. You write in your notebook and submit to me. Okay. Clear? Okay. Then thank you for listening. Have a nice day.